Instead of having to constantly go back and forth between two Excel worksheets, here's how to view two Excel sheets side by side. First, open the Excel sheet that has both worksheets and click on the View tab on the top. Then select New Window. In the new window, select the worksheet you want to view to compare, then select View Side by Side. This will automatically arrange both worksheets on your screen horizontally, which may be difficult to compare the sheets. So under the View tab again, click on Arrange All, and then select Vertical and press OK. This will arrange your sheets side by side, making it easier to compare them. Finally, click on Synchronous Scrolling so that you can scroll through both worksheets simultaneously. If your top rows of both worksheets are headers, make sure you freeze them so they don't move with the rest of the data set when you scroll through. To do that, under the View tab, click on Freeze Panes and select Freeze Top Row. Repeat this step for the second worksheet. Then you're all set. Hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching.